Hello guys. Ngayong araw, magbibisita tayo ng isang Musée du Vieux Toulouse, isang museum na nagre-represents ng mga objects sa history ng Old Toulouse. 16th century pa ito. So, this was established in 1948. Kaya, tara, sama ko guys! Ang problema guys pala, kailangan magpa-schedule pag papasok sa loob ng museum kasi diyan nakatira yung bagong may-ari ng museum na to. So guys, ito ay isang small but lovely museum. It's a fabulous mansion on a tiny street in the heart of Old Toulouse, a couple of blocks from the Place du Capitole. Kaya guys, ayan yung maliliit na kalsada bago mo pumasok dyan sa museum. Yeah.